Here's a 1938 Chevrolet Business Coupe. Street rod, an absolutely beautiful car. This particular car was actually built by a local gentleman here in the area that ran his own body shop for many, many years and did very nice work. He built this car for himself over a period of time. So as you can see, he did a very nice job, and it shows on this car. Paint is in excellent shape. You can see the blinkers been Frenched in down there. And he drove it. This car's, I suppose it's got 24,000 miles with the odometer states. He put a few miles on it, so the kinks have been worked out. He owned it for, like I said, quite some time. It was his baby. Just decided it was time to part with it. He's got a couple other new toys now that he has done for himself over the years. This particular car is powered by a Crate 350. Got dual carbs on it. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Automatic transmission, turbo 400, paired with that Crate 350. Just an absolutely beautiful car. You can see how straight it is. When I get around to the driver's side, we're going to fire it up. I'll close the door, and you got to see how solid the door closed. But just look at the body fitment of the trunk, doors, body lines of this car. It is all steel also. There's not glass fenders or anything like that. It is steel. Frenched in tail lights. Beautiful chrome wheels. Interior is just as nice as the outside. It's got a power seat in the driver's side. Leather interior. Tilt column. Just look at the door cards, how they're finished off. Interior seat belts, of course. Power seat, obviously. Does go back and forth, up and down, and all the tilts work. Finished off just as nice in the back area. Custom stereo install. Let's go ahead and fire this up. The VDO gauges, as you can see. I did it. Steering column. See how easy it starts, how nicely it runs. Just how clean the dash is. There's your heat, AC controls. Let's go ahead, slip around to the back so you can hear it run. There's how nice that door closes. This is this gentleman's work. Absolutely flawless. Nice little rumble out of that Crate 350. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, you can check out the engine bay, interior, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com, where you can see the still pictures. If you'd like to know anything about this car, or have any questions, like to inquire about it, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. You cannot go wrong with this 1938 Chevrolet Business Coupe Street Rod.